Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last month and how the price of silver can move in this particular month. In this video, see, if you look at the chart, what we can see that the silver price is currently moving at around 25.196. Okay, and I have already told you in my previous video that if the price goes above a level of 24.3, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, and now it is trading at around 25.189, and if you look at the chart, what you can see that it is in this particular zone. Okay, and if this zone break upside, the zone high is around 25.591. so once this zone break this particular level and sustain for 5-10 minutes, then we can see a further upside in this silver also. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. If you look at the chart continuously, what you can see that the trend of silver is in the upside. Okay, and made a low of around 21.411. okay, this is the resist support which is already being tested here. So price, note this, that if the price comes close to 22, then there will be high probability that it can break this particular level, because this is already being tested twice. So chances of going towards a level of 19 will be high, 19.4 or 9. So this is okay. Now let's come where the price is moving around 25.196. suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 25.486, and if the price goes up this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 25.633. okay, and if the price sustain up this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 25.781, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 26. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 26.272, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 26.468. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 26.566, and if this level sustain, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 26.812. okay, and this is the particular level I am telling you resistance, where we can see there can be a bounce back at this level, because this level is not being tested here. So probability, if it sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 25.584, and if this level sustain, we can see it can go to a level of 25.830, and then from there we can see a level of 26.026. and from here we can see a little bounce back, and if it comes, the resistance we can see coming at around 25.584, and then we can see again a bounce back towards a level of 26.861, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 27.450, and then towards a level of 27.892. and because of this VAR condition, we have seen most of the commodity prices are moving upside, and these are very volatile. So what you should be doing is half your quantity, and SL should be high, and the target should also be high. okay, so if it goes up a level of 27.45, then we can see a level of 28.43 also, and then from there we can see a level of, it can go further upside towards a level of 28.776. okay, and if these levels are already being tested here, so chances of going towards a level of 29.414 and then upside towards a level of 29.7 also is high, and it can go further upside. okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, it can go to a level of 24.897 if the price didn't sustain this level, or if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level 24.848, and from there we can see it can fall towards a level of 24.308. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 23.767, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 23.424. okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 22.933, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.687. okay, and I have already told you that if the price comes close to 22, then we can see a further fall, but if it goes below a level 22.933, then we can see a level of 22.687, and if this price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 22.589. okay, and once if this level goes below, means if it goes below a level of 22.589, then we can see it can come down to a level of 21.362, which is already being tested here. So we can see if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down to a level of 19.447, and it can fall further if the price goes below 19, then we can see a level of 18.514 also, and then further low. If it goes further low, you can check my previous video where I explained that if the price goes below this level, then where all we can see. Now understand one thing: if you are trading for investing, you can invest for a longer view, but if you are trading, you have to understand one thing: it is a risky thing. Okay, so what you can do is that, like, suppose you are trading with $10,000, you should trade per trade with 10% to 15% of capital. That means around 1,000 to 1,500, and risk should be 0.5 to 1%. that is around 100 to $50 to $100. Okay, now $50 to $100 is your risk. So if you trade for 5 times in a day, you know your risk. If you lose 3 times also, you can make big profit. If you lose in 5 times, you know your risk. Okay, these are few things which I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, you can mail me and we can work out timing as well as things which suits us, and then you can attend the workshop. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.